Brenden! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to be quiet because we have neighbors, but this is our official new house tour. Brenden and I bought a house. Actually, we haven't officially purchased it yet, but we're in the works of buying it, and we're kind of renovating it and stuff, but we are moved in. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the whole house and kind of give you the ideas of like what we have already renovated and what needs to be renovated. So yeah, so the first thing is our patio, which as you can see is super clean. So obviously we do live in a townhome, but this is our little patio area. It's got this really nice, pretty light colored brick, which I actually really like a lot. But we do plan to pull up all of the vegetation over here and completely replant this. I want to do like an herb wall and do some cool, like, you know, veggies and stuff. And then we do plan to obviously get rid of all this pressure wash, put like a nice outdoor rug out here, do a couch, some chairs, table, grill, maybe like a little dining set.
Don't forget
we've got a lot of fun plans.
Don't forget a pool, or not a pool.
A hot tub?
No.
Oh.
Koi
we
pond.
do want to do like a little water feature somehow.
Koi pond.
Just so we have like some quietness. I will say we do have a little shed situation over here. My dad actually had to break into it for us because the lock was broken. But there's actually a decent amount of storage in here. Like, it goes back pretty far each way. So it'll be perfect for storing like Halloween and Christmas decorations in the off season. When you walk into the back door, you actually come into our dining room. So as you can see, we have like a little dining set. So just to give you all kind of a rundown, everything pretty much has been painted and there are all new floors. This used to all be a really ugly tile. So all the floors are brand new. All the paint is brand new. There are a couple paints I want to change throughout the house, but I'll walk you guys through those. Please ignore the laundry situation. Our laundry situation here has been an absolute mess and it's just all over the floor. I won't even go into it, but in here, I wish you guys could have seen it just a few months ago. It was disgusting. Like, I cannot describe to you the level of disgustingness that this place was. I don't mean to be rude to the people who lived here before, but like, they never cleaned. Like, never. There was like an inch thick dust on all the layers of all the windowsills. There was food in the drawers, in the counters, all over the stove. Like, it was mind-blowing. So the entire kitchen was gutted. We have new appliances, new cabinets. Our countertop obviously has not been installed yet. We're still working on that, hopefully in the next couple weeks. We have a big sink, which is down here, going in, and then our dishwasher, which is back ordered, obviously coming in. But yeah, we did white paint in here because I really want it to be nice and bright. And then we're gonna do a backsplash that's kind of this dark charcoal color to kind of give a little accent, you know, like a little depth to the kitchen, you know. And then, sorry, I'm being so gross. And then over here, we are gonna put a door so that we can close this off and make it look nice and clean and tidy instead of seeing like this weird configuration. And then we also will be drilling a hole through the back of this cabinet so that it goes, so that the laundry dryer thingy goes straight down back. We are going to be replacing this light fixture. It's a little too traditional for my style. Probably gonna do something a little bit more modern there. And then as we walk through, we come into our living room. This room probably needs the most work of anything as far as furniture goes, further renovation goes, like everything. So obviously, still new flooring and paint in here. We cleaned out all the air ducts and we're replacing all of the vents. We're also replacing all of the outlets, switches, and then the covers for those. So just little things like that really help to make this space look more polished and fresh. We have a huge couch coming in. I want to do a nice big area rug over here. Obviously, we have our football situation set up with our dual TVs right now. This will not stay here for forever, but during football season, this will probably be the setup. So we'll do a different TV console, and then we're gonna mount this TV once we get that, and this will go upstairs in my office actually.
Your camera sucks.
Is it really bad right now?
It's not focusing.
Oh. And then over here, which is back towards where y'all were just at, obviously there's a ton of renovation supplies over here, but I want to do two big green, like forest green velvet chairs. And then a couple of bookcases over here on this wall, just to kind of make like a nice little conversation area, reading book. The bookcase will supply some storage, that kind of thing. So as we come over here, this is actually our front door right here. This is where you would walk in if you were like at a normal place, but the only issue is that there's no parking or really access unless you walk around the entire like townhome building, which no one's ever gonna do. So don't really need to see the outside, but this is like our entryway. And to kind of dress it up, once Brendan's office gets kind of furnished and finished up, there'll actually be like a little bench right here, probably add like a really tall mirror and dress it up with like some throws, maybe a throw pillow, that kind of thing, and just make it look really pretty. This is a huge roll of extra carpet from the carpet that we used upstairs. Max likes to walk up this all the way at the top because he's weird. This room really is a mess. This is actually the guest bathroom. So I'm gonna close these. So the pipe is actually leaking in here. So we do have like a water thing under here, but this is where we have to do all of our dishes right now. You can show them, babe. You can like walk in and I'll just talk over it. So the toilet has to get put in, new mirror, new light fixture, gotta fix the sink. We have to paint in here. We're actually probably gonna put up wallpaper instead, but as you can see, it really needs to be fixed up. The toilet that will go in there, and then this is kind of like random storage stuff. So the couch that we're getting comes with a storage ottoman, so I figured it'd be fun to put all of our board games in there. And then we'll probably replace the door in here. And this is not something that's like pressing, but eventually I would like to redo all the closets with like different nicer shelving, because these shelves are like not secure at all. And they're really old and grimy, so definitely we'll replace those at some point. And then this is just the HVAC closet in here. So looking above you guys, this is actually where there was a massive leak that was ignored for a long period of time that rotted out the entire ceiling up there. So we had to rip that out, fix it multiple times. My uncle worked on it and worked on it and worked on it. Finally, we got to a point where it was not leaking and he was able to patch that up. So we have someone coming to paint and then properly match the ceiling with like the special ceiling design they have up there, which isn't my favorite, but that's like a really stupid thing to change for now.
Mama!
So this is all new carpet as well. We are definitely going to be replacing this handrail, as it is obviously not exactly cute. Up here we have Brenden and I's offices and our master bedroom. So I'll do the guest bathroom first. So in here is the guest bathroom. In here we've done a new vanity. We did not replace the countertops because we were able to actually clean up the original ones. They were really nasty. My grandma spent almost 2 hours literally just cleaning this single countertop for us, if that gives you any idea of how gross they were. The door is not on right now because we have painted this and we just need to put the door back on. We'll be replacing all of like the knobs and stuff on all the doors though. Definitely need to replace the light fixture and the mirror in here. We're probably just gonna frame the mirror because if you can see, you can come in, babe. If you can see, there's like a lot of like nastiness around the sides of the mirror, but the middle of the mirror is fine, so we're probably just gonna frame it to save some money. Obviously need to replace that light fixture because like it's tragic. We do have a toilet in here. My grandma also spent a lot of time cleaning this, but Brendan cracked the seat, so we have a new toilet here. We also have new floors in here. I really love this tile. I think it's so pretty. And then we do have to redo the tub. Just like some weird like erosion type stuff happening over here. Not really sure what that's about, but all new tile, new fixtures in the tub. Obviously we need to hang a shower curtain up here, but right now it's not 100% usable, so we're not really worried about that. So here in my office, obviously you can see all of these doorknobs are like, first of all, coming off, and second of all, are ugly and need to be changed. But this is my office. So right now in here, biggest things are like new carpet, new paint, that kind of thing. But I actually got this desk, it's kind of a mess in here, just recently that my mom's friend refinished for me, and it's light pink and I'm obsessed with it because I've got like all of my Disney stuff in here, since Disney does not really match the aesthetic of the rest of our home. So Brendan's office is very nerdy and catered to him. My office is very nerdy and catered to me. And then when we have company over, we can just shut the door and keep them downstairs to show that we're not crazy Disney, Star Wars, War, Thunder type people. We're just normal. Probably we'll do a different light fixture in here because this one is ugly and I don't like it. Definitely we'll add new doors on the front of all the closets as well. And again, like when you come into all the closets, you'll see it's got like really insecure, outdated hanging stuff. So not priority, but at some point we will definitely redo all the interiors of the closets. So as you come back here, we actually have this random toilet. What?
I was gonna put down and grab your butt,
Oh,
but you moved.
too bad. Maybe next time. We have this toilet rack here. It's supposed to go in there, but since we need to replace the toilet, we can't put it in there yet. But I have decorated the end of the hall to look nice. This is Brendan's office, which is really serving as kind of a storage area right now. We've got a lot of books in here, puzzles that I need to frame before we can hang, a half installed fan. And then again, same thing in here, new carpet, new paint, need to replace the fixtures in the closet, the doors in the closet, getting a new light fixture in here. You know, just kind of things here and there, going in, going out. So next we have our master bedroom. This is the room that I've been spending the most time and money on to get fully ready. As far as renovation goes, in this actual room, everything is pretty much ready to go. There's a couple things we need to fix in the master bath, which I'll show you when we get in there. But since everything's fixed in here, I've been trying to decorate it and get it fully complete so we have at least one room that we won't have to worry about it. And then, you know, we'll spend other time and money to other rooms once they become more fully finished. But biggest thing in here, again, I don't really need to say it, but new floors, new paint, whatever. The only thing is that I do want to upgrade the paint in here a little bit. So I want to do a charcoal accent wall right here, just to like give the space like a super cozy feel. And then I'm probably going to do white on the rest of the walls. But I really love the layout of our room right now. Obviously we need to like hide some of the cords from the sconces and stuff like that. Need to get like, I want to get a bench right here, and there's still some cosmetic things like we need to add like the switch plate covers on all the light switches. But then if you come over here into our closet, you can see the old tile. This was the tile that was like downstairs and it's in all the closets, and we didn't replace this. But I am going to get like a small area rug to put in here just to make it look a little nicer, a little more cozy, because this tile is pretty dingy and gross and I just don't like looking at it. And then again, but in here eventually we are going to replace all of the closet fixings because I just don't feel like we're optimizing our space in here, and I definitely feel like this is like not the most secure. I mean, come in here and just like look at like this wood and this like how this pole is like mounted in here. Like, I mean, it's just very, it's just, you know, it could be a little better. But we did replace the fan in here. New fan and light fixture, which is nice. And then over here is our master bathroom. So the biggest thing in here is that obviously we have turned what was a bath into a walk-in shower. We are going to add a glass door to it eventually when the budget allows for that. We're just trying to take things like for as we need them. Like, we're not going to spend money on a glass door when a shower curtain's working just fine until we have like the rest of the toilets installed and stuff like that is like 100% ready and usable. Like the sink in here doesn't work, so we're going to focus on fixing that before whatever. The biggest thing is that we did put a new vanity in here, all new tile, the showers, all new tile, new paint, everything. There is some work to be done on these walls if you want to show them, babe. Like, we do have like some patchwork to do over there. Need to put the trim in, and then over there, like that needs a lot of work. Like the whole wall is just kind of really messed up, so we've got to fix all that up. But this vanity is new. Obviously we need, ooh, this is a really good example, babe. We need a new mirror and light fixture. Maybe not a new mirror, but definitely a new light fixture. But zoom in up top, look at the dust up there, because I want you guys to see, like, can they see it okay? Go on this side from like this direction, because you can really see it right there. Like, that just gives you an idea of how like nasty the people before us were. Like, they genuinely just did not care enough to clean, like, ever.
Didn't no one live here for a year before?
not a whole year, but
Still a while.
you would not collect that much dust in only a year. Promise you that. So the biggest thing though in here is that what I would really love to do eventually, like I said, we've got one working sink. Well, it's not working yet, but we have a sink and whatever. But I think there is enough space to get a dual sink vanity in here. And that is definitely an investment that would add a little bit of value to the home, having a dual sink in the master bath. So I really would love to upgrade to that eventually, but it's just not priority right now. I'm trying to think. That's like pretty much everything so far. So there are definitely still some cosmetic upgrades that we need to make. Like there are some different rooms that I'd like to paint some different colors. Some rooms, like the guest bathroom downstairs, I really want to do like a fun greenery like wallpaper in there. So definitely like things like that that will need to be upgraded as we kind of get like the normal functional things finished out. We'll start working on those. Am I boring you?
Yeah.
You're the worst. You're mean.
Football's on. You're making me freaking film you.
Aww. Love you.
Love you too.
Anyways, so I am going to be doing like a full home renovation decoration series while we get this home situated for us. I'm going to have so much fun filming it and I'm so excited. So I'm definitely going to be going room by room and showing you guys the complete before and after once each room is like fully finished and ready to go. But in the meantime, I hope you guys liked seeing our little townhome tour. We are so excited to be homeowners together for the first time, and we're just excited for this new period in our life. So I hope you guys follow along and see what we turn each room into. And I think that's all I have. So please give the video a like, and also to keep up with us here on this channel, please hit the big red subscribe button down below. Follow our social links, which will be down there as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.